Hey everyone, this is Mel from Cardstock Concoctions. How is everyone doing today? Today I'm back with what I hope is an extremely fast card project for us. I wanted to make this lovely, quick, fast, pre-made Christmas card because who cannot afford to get a jump on their Christmas cards? And I'm all about fast at times and easy. So I'm going to be using these pre-made card bases by Studio Calico that we create this with. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before I get started today, go ahead and check out that description box below. In there will be the names of everything that I used, as well as basic directions and dimensions for everything. Today I'm going to be using a pre-made card base out of the Boxed Cards Magical Studio Calico kit. Sorry about that. It's 40 cards and 40 envelopes. I picked this up from photobella.com. I will again link that in the description box below at one of her warehouse sales, but I do know she gets them in frequently. Any pre-made card base will work. If you do not have a pre-made card base, you can go ahead and make one. These cards are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. All you need is a 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inch piece of paper. Square it down the middle at 4 1/4. Like so. Fold and burnish. You have yourself a card base. Now, if you guys wanted to add a sentiment to that card base, just go ahead and stamp whatever sentiment you want, cut it out of whatever paper pack that you wish. Again, I'm using a pre-made card base. This makes making Christmas cards and large stacks of cards very, very quick. But here you go. So that's what I've got right now. I also cut out 3 little Christmas trees. Now this was using the Christmas tree die, Christmas tree punch from Stampin' Up from quite a few years ago, actually. Any sort of Christmas tree die or punch that you have would also work. Any like reindeer that you have would also work. Things like that. Little Santa, snowmen, that kind of stuff. Just pick one and kind of stick with it. That's all I gotta say. Pick one and stick with it. It makes things go a lot faster. I used glimmer paper. I wanted to give this a little bit of a punch because it's a very beautiful card base, but I needed a little more pizzazz, a little something extra. So I used gold glimmer paper or glitter paper, depending on what company it is that you purchase it from. I'm also going to be using 2 large rhinestones, and that's all we're going to be using today. Now, to add these, I'm going to use snail just Tombow adhesive, just for time's sake. If you would like to use glue, go ahead and use glue. It is perfectly okay. And again, time's sake, it's going to be faster to use these. So I'm just going to layer these up. Now, it's no rhyme or reason, except for when you're making cards, for some reason, odd numbers appear more symmetrical. They appear more pleasing to the eye. So the general rule is odd numbers in whatever that you do, if it's anything over 2. You got a pair, for some reason that works too. We don't know why. Now, just that alone is much more appealing than just our basic card. That added a lot of pow in just a very short amount of using these base cards. To add a little bit more, I'm going to use a paper piercer. Back of your scissors also works, or if you have fingernails, I say go for it. These are really large rhinestones. I'm going to add 1 on each side of my Merry Christmas. And there we go. Now that there just adds a pack's punch. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoy this really fun, fast, easy Christmas card using pre-made card bases in order to speed up your Christmas card process, but have them still pack a punch. So again, if you guys have any questions, check out the description box below. Leave me a comment. I'd be happy to answer them. This is Mel from Cardstock Concoctions saying if you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.